Hello everybody, welcome to Kurdish lessons. It is Gule. So today I want to discuss a very useful verb with you, which is to make up. In English it is to make up or to put makeup, okay? So in Kumanji we say XEMILANDIN for this verb. XEMILANDIN, okay? So XEMILANDIN literally is to decorate, okay? So for example, when you decorate yourself for Christmas, or when you decorate yourself for a special day, or for a festival, or for someone, for a celebration, it is XEMILANDIN. In present, we conjugate as the XEMILINM. I am decorating, I decorate, I make up. To the XEMILINي أو the XEMILينة أم هون أو the XEMILينن. Okay? In the past you will say من XEMILAND. We use من, te, we, we, me, we, one, because it's a transitive verb. You can XEMILAND, you can decorate something, okay? We say من XEMILAND, te XEMILAND, we XEMILAND, we XEMILAND, one XEMILAND, etc. So, for example, let's make a sentence together. You can say هر نوروز از و مالباتا خواه د XEMILينن. Like each Nowruz, every Nowruz, me and my family, we decorate, we prepare, we make up ourselves for Nowruz, okay? So, okay, XEMILANDIN is like to make up, but also you can use for like your clothes. It's not only for face, okay? Like when you put like nice dresses on you, you can say من خواه XEMILAND, okay? Like I decorated myself. Or you can say من مالا خواه XEMILAND, جبو Christmas, جبو Nowruz. Why not? Or you can say من ما سيا خوارن XEMILAND, like I decorated the table of like dinner table, okay? Or you can say حوالا من هروش خود XEMILينة و دچه حواله خود بینه. Like my friends like decorates herself every day and he goes to see her boyfriend. Okay? Or you can say جيران ما جبو ججنا رمضان ججنا حاجيان خواه او مالباتا خواه او هر تشته خواه د XEMILينن. Okay? It's a very nice verb, I think. You XEMILANDIN, you can use it every day. So let's imagine you see your friend, he or she, it looks very nice, and just you say te chuma khwa XEMILAND to the chiku, like why did you decorate yourself, where are you going? So is there any reason? Te chuma khwa XEMILAND, why? Okay, so you can use it this way, XEMILANDIN. I love this word. Thank you so much.